Hello and welcome to this short meditation. You need to find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and a slow, deep breath out. Again, inhaling deeply and exhaling. Bring your attention to the feeling of your breath, moving in and out. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your belly and your chest. Notice the sensation of air passing through your nose. If your thoughts wander, simply notice this with kindness and gently return your focus to your breath. With each inhale, invite a sense of calm. With each exhalation, feel any points of tension in your body starting to release. Take one more big breath in. And a big sigh out. And then gently bring awareness back to your surroundings. Begin to gently open your eyes. Perhaps bringing a gentle smile to your face. And carry this moment of calm with you as you proceed with your day.